Habang tubig sa mga
Practice muna,
practice muna. Ay, oy,
Okay, lahat ng basic safety. Siguro you go ahead and do the familiarization para hindi tayo ma-overcrowd. Dito sa pool site, tapusin nyo yung familiarization nyo ng equipment with your instructor. And then we will try to accomplish all the Okay, go off here. 129.